there was a major point both sides focused on during the statements: Thao's role in the triple homicide. Thao, along with 45-year-old Kamthanath Ratanasak, are accused of shooting and killing 3 men over a $600 debt. Ratanasak is expected to testify against Thao later this week. In July of 2021, the La Crosse County Sheriff's Office responded to a call at the Romsquag Quarry on County Highway M.
3 bodies that were lying near the gate of the quarry, which is locked overnight.
24-year-olds Peng Lor and Nemo Yang and 23-year-old Trevor Maloney were shot and killed.
So they were each shot multiple times.
On Tuesday morning, the prosecution and defense gave their opening statements to the jury.
At the end of the case, I'm convinced that you're going to find that Mr. Thao was involved in this through the messages that he sent, through the things that he said, and the person he was with in the car and afterwards. And I'm asking you to find him guilty of first-degree intentional homicide for all 3 of these young men.
According to the criminal complaint, a witness came forward and told police 45-year-old Kamthanath Ratanasak handed the gun to 35-year-old Nya Thao, who shot the 3 men.
Tom threatens her and says she should go stand by her car unless she wants to join them.
In his opening statement, Thao's attorney asked jury members to question the credibility of that witness.
One of the choices she makes is she takes out her phone and she starts deleting evidence. She's deleting texts, deleting contact, deleting information about her connection.
DA Tim Grinke stated jury members would hear from Ratanasak, who was given immunity by the state for his testimony.
He's charged with similar offenses. His trial or hearing will be for another day, but he is testifying under understanding that he can't be prosecuted for what he testifies to truthfully.
The defense argued Ratanasak would try to manipulate the jury.
He thinks he can dupe you. He thinks he can manipulate you. That's ultimately his goal up there.
Leaving jurors to decide who pulled the trigger. 3 witnesses also testified in court today that each victim was shot roughly 3 to 4 times in the head and torso. Ken?
All right, Dua, thanks very much. Thao faces a mandatory sentence of life imprisonment if he's convicted of first-degree intentional homicide. The trial is expected to last the week.